Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's AMA session, which we're having with KimgCheese. He is one of our ZAP partners, and he creates mod packs for Minecraft with Masters of Time and Engineering as one of his featured ones currently. I hope everybody's doing well today. Let me know in chat how you are. As you can assume, it could be a bit strange for us to host a live event on Saturday, but this is mostly due to time zones, since our guest is from Australia. And as you can assume, I'm Jacob from the community manager from ZAP-Hosting, and as mentioned, I'm joined with KimgCheese today. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name's KimgCheese. I just do mod packs. I just make them a lot. For different people, and including my own mod packs, and as you've heard of my partner did a pack of you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much all about me.
Fair enough, there you go. He just does mod packs.
That's it's all I do all day.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, he's one of our recent partners, and he does mod pack development. His latest one is called Masters of Time and Engineering, which aims to create an expansive universe which makes gameplay more fun. The good news is that it's you can purchase it now as a game server, and of course we'll be giving away 3 today throughout the session. Today we'll be discussing the questions that you guys have had for KimgCheese over on Reddit and Discord, of course. If you have any questions that you haven't posted beforehand, you can always post it into the stage channel or into the questions thread that we had previously, which we will be checking on a regular basis and talk at the end about them if we have time. And of course, we will be giving away the 3 servers, which we will let you know once the giveaway is started. One should start really soon. But other than that, oh, I guess one more thing, there will be Zap coins, of course. I'm sure you'll be glad to hear that. Otherwise, we can get started with the questions slowly. So,
Jim, you go on the first one.
what'd you say?
Do you get on the first one?
Yeah, how did you get started? By .demon from the Reddit.
Okay, basically, I was. Oh god, my brother's in the chat. Okay, yeah, basically, I just kind of. Somebody in this chat, I kind of started making mod packs for them, and then it just kind of set off from there. I learned how to make them so they don't crash, and just all these different techniques, and basically, basically, I ended up making my skills leveled at a point where I could just make mod packs with minimal lag at times. Although the newest mod pack I've made is good, just don't get out of hand with it. Don't like make the world far too big, otherwise you have issues. But yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
But,
I hopped on the server and it was pretty cool. Very interesting.
Yes. It's a bit laggy at the moment because I haven't need to configure it. But yeah.
Yeah,
Other than that,
it's
it's all
a
good.
very nice mod pack.
I think
Okay, let's get on to the next question. JelloTurd2 asks, what is it like developing a mod pack?
it's hard. You need time, and as I've learned, I've tried to make a mod pack in about an hour once, and it didn't really turn out well. You need time and a bit of research and effort, and a bit of trial and error of it, because sometimes you just make the mod pack, it seems perfect, and you boot it up, and it won't even turn on. So you just have to figure it out, I guess, and see how it works.
So do you kind of just go around looking for any cool mods and then you try
Yeah,
to
pretty
see
much.
if they have no conflict or something like that?
Yeah, and then I make sure they're kind of in the same genre. Like I had maybe last time engineering's like tech and magic a bit, and then I'll just have like tech and magic mods. And
That's very interesting.
yeah, just kind of merge together. Yeah, it's better when you have a mod pack that's in the same genre because it means you can kind of capture a certain audience. You don't want to just go all around the place and have different topics of mod packs, and yeah.
Yeah, of course. How many mods does the Masters of Engineering and Time have?
Okay, I've had a second developer help me. Funny enough, he made this question. At 201 at the moment.
Damn, that's pretty big.
No, it used to be like 90. He pulled it up a bit, and we got some cool mods now that everyone enjoys. We like listening to our community with suggestions, and basically just we bring them all in and make an update.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Yeah, updates are good, but they can be pretty stressful on the server at times. But yeah, let's answer that question.
Yep. Let's head over to the next one. Eraser asks, why did you start developing mod packs?
I was kind of a mutual liking of just playing Minecraft a bit, and then I just kind of said, this modding community is cool, why am I not a part of it? And then I started joining modded servers, and then it just ended up in me just starting to make them. Funny enough, I didn't actually start Master of Time and Engineering, I was somebody else, and I was handed it down. So, technically I didn't make it, but yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
But the whole pack's like it's completely different to what he made. We've redone the pack like twice since he's had it, but yeah, other bloke.
Yeah, very nice. If you guys want to join, you can join their Discord, of course. It's the official Discord.
Yeah.
They have their own server and stuff, which you can play on and try out if you wish.
Should I put it in said chat?
Oh, I've already posted a link, yeah.
Also our Discord.
Yeah, Discord link. I already posted one. You could post a link to your CurseForge if you wish as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I should think CurseForge just KimgCheese helped me a lot of my create base. Yeah. Yeah, he was KiwiCast I've kind of helped him a lot in the past. He's a great person to work with, guys.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, next question. What specs does your PC have?
Yep.
Okay. Let's have a look, shall we? That's great. Oh.
Oh, he disconnected for a bit. Did his PC crash? Technical difficulties, please 1 moment.
Hey,
Try
to screen share and crashed my Discord.
Discord
yeah, okay, let's read it out. Yeah, no, it sucks. Okay, let's just read out performance. Okay, I've got a Ryzen 5 5600X, 6-core processor. I've got 16 gigs of RAM. I forgot what model it is, but it's made by Corsair. I've got a Samsung S16 970 Evo Plus 5GB. I have just a standard Wi-Fi adapter and an MSI NVIDIA GeForce 30 RTX 3050.
Look at this, we got all the specs here. This has turned into a tech forum.
Well, technically he asked a question, so I just answered it.
Yeah, makes sense. And he also asked the last one, is it hard to develop mod packs?
Is it hard to develop mod packs?
Yeah.
It is at times, especially when you run a server with them. Typical said server decides to not work sometimes. Like the other day, I just couldn't. It wouldn't start, and I had to spend a lot of time. It's a lot of troubleshooting running mod pack and including a server. But yeah, mainly it's just the servers. The mod packs are the issue. And
yep, that makes sense.
you have to put them in an account. Yeah, to put them in an account when you're making a mod pack. Like is this mod gonna cause issues on a server with other players? Is this mod gonna whatever? Yeah.
And you have to balance out like performance and TPS is called.
Yeah. TPS is a major issue on our current server. But we managed to get it down.
Oh, that's
due
very
to
good, yeah.
several techniques. Okay, this next question.
The next question, Ham, why did you have a letter M instead of regular N in Kim?
Okay. was making my Minecraft account, and I realized that some random guy. Actually no, go back a bit, and I was figuring out what my username was. I said KimgCheese. That sounds like a cool name, and I went to Minecraft name change thing, and it was taken. I looked at it, and it was this bloke who's never played Minecraft in his life. It just took the name and did nothing with it. So I just made it. I just made it an M because it sounded like the easiest thing to do.
Fair play. That makes sense. The next question from Manfred is, what do you think about Fortnite? Very random.
Okay. It was good. I mean, that's not.
You could just leave it at that. It's just good.
Yeah, I'll just leave it at that for now.
Eraser asks again, do you like cheese balls?
Nope.
Fair play. What kind of mod packs do you develop? It's kind of covered it before, but yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, Magic and Tech mod packs. Just mod packs of loads of different categories. Even if you guys have heard of a mod called Create, we have a lot of. I've made a mod pack based off it with somebody. Here, Cast, can you just be quiet? Sorry. In the chat, he just revealed my whole identity. He just said, "Fact, he doesn't like cheese."
Fair play.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what the next question is.
We skipped the question.
Oh yeah. Wait, where?
Dungeon Destroyer.
Oh yeah, feel free to.
Uh,
Oh yeah, what is your mod pack about? And within a week, how much time do you dedicate to Masters of Engineering and Time mod pack?
okay. I probably spend about 5 hours currently due to work, about 5 hours a week on it. Through maybe two, maybe not on the server, but on the back end, making server packs, shoving together mods, make it work. But these days it's usually my sometimes I let my other developers do a bit of that for me, but yeah, it's mainly just consists of that and making sure the community's going well on my server. Yeah, the next question.
And let me quickly just say, make sure to go into the giveaways channel to have a chance to enter for the first Masters of Time and Engineering game server giveaway we have.
Oh, am I allowed to enter?
Probably not. No, I'm joking.
Oh no! Frank already gave me a server, so
Yeah, next question is from Skypo. Why did you pick Zap to partner with?
Okay, they contact. Let me go find it. It's like I think Frank or the partner manager kind of came out to me and said, "Do you want to have a sponsorship?" And I'm like, I was already using Zap in the first place. Zap was awesome, and then he came along and just said, "Do you want a sponsorship?" I said, "Why not?" Actually, wait a minute. So I was looking for the messages.
So it's
I
kind of
just realized
like kind of
we're
convenient.
one down. Yeah, we're one download off of 2,000 downloads on the mod pack.
Sheesh. Make sure to go press the download button, guys, if you haven't already. Okay.
The chat. Yeah, that's how I just kind of went with it. I've gotten many other offers. I think from Bisect and Salsa Cube. I'm not sure. All dodgy deals, but yeah.
Makes sense.
Next question.
How many mod packs have you made / released by also Skypo?
Would that count as I've helped?
Yeah, let's say yeah, helped as well.
3 to 4. And I've also helped develop a mod.
Oh,
The
that
actual
makes
mod
sense.
itself. Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
I made a lot of them by myself, but these like the ones who have really gone off the ground and worked really well.
So you kind of do mod packs, but you also do plugin development and stuff like that where it comes to it.
A bit of it at times. Not really that much anymore, but it was kind of like someone just gifted Nitro in chat.
Sheesh.
I just kind of how do I explain this? I just kind of got into it. So on my server, on my mod pack, we actually have a custom mod that was made just for my mod pack. And it basically allows the crafting of many things that aren't available, that should be available pretty much. We just added crafting recipes. And it just kind of, we just kind of got deep into it, and I helped make all the crafting recipes, and yeah, we made a mod called Sidrat. Just thinks on my page on GhostForge.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's, what was the question? It was the mod, the mod pack, yeah. That's about it. That question.
So basically, it was you said 4 in the end. You helped out with
Yeah.
4 or made them.
Yeah, about 4.
Right. The next question: what advice would you give yourself if you could travel back in time to the moment you started modding?
Don't just shove mods together. It won't work. Trust me, you'll learn it later on. That's the only advice I would have told myself. That's the first version of Master of Home Engineering, was just mods shoved together in a pile, and it was just a big mess. I just didn't like it. And it was just, everyone was complaining, and so yeah, we had to redo the whole thing. But yeah, just don't shove mods together, I'd say to myself.
Makes sense.
Because
It's like
it
a
doesn't work.
explosion.
Yeah.
But you know, reworking stuff is not always a bad thing. You of course
Yeah,
probably made it much better the second time around.
Yeah, I learned from that, yeah. Alright, next question.
Do you make money with modding? If not, do you ever intend to in the future?
Okay. This one's a bit of a weird one, because CurseForge just released a new system, a reward store, and I'm not sure if I can get money off it. But basically, I don't think I do that much. We have a Patreon, and we have the Zap code,
Yep, that makes sense.
and that's basically the way I get money off of it. But we only have like about 2 Patreon subscribers, so very little at the moment. Until you guys contacted me, I was basically just ripping out my own money.
Oh, that's good though. At least now you have your own server and you can, you know, freely develop and host stuff, which is
Yeah.
epic. I guess that was answered pretty well. The next question, the final question by Skypo, is there anything you're working on right now?
Okay, we're working on a new update, and then as a new way how to make power within the mod pack, which is very important because you can like automate anything with power, make anything just make life easier, and basically it's gonna have this mod called Evo. If you guys have heard of it, but yeah. It's just going to be a massive update we're going to do after maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure.
Don't think I've heard of it, but it does sound interesting,
Stick
definitely.
around for 4.2, yeah. It's basically, you can get a picture.
Sheesh, we're about to get some exclusive content here.
Ham, can you please DM it to me? No, we'll come back to it in a moment. Yeah. Next question, if that's alright.
Sure, let's go to the next one. Could you tell us about your favorite mods that are part of your Masters of Time and Engineering mod pack? And is there any other mods you are currently looking / tempted to introduce into the pack?
Okay. Some of my favorite mods, the Blood Magic, Create. Oh, here we go. Down here. TARDIS mod and Mechanism and all its add-ons. Although Mechanism caused a bit of lag, it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and the Music Maker mod. Now we're gonna probably be adding Dragonic Evolution, which is right here in the chat. Nope. Okay, so just quick answer to Kiwi-Class question. Not really.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, it's just he said, "Have you had an interest in this subject?" But yeah, yeah, that's about it. We're gonna be adding. Oh yeah, and refined storage is pretty cool.
Have you ever thought? I've seen before a transformer mod. Is that like a thing?
I believe so. Transformer G1 mod.
I've never to be.
Yeah, yeah, it is. But it's for an older version of Minecraft, so I can't really use it, unfortunately. But
Oh yeah, that could be another question. How does versioning work? Like Minecraft versions.
okay, so basically, you have all your Minecraft versions, like your 1.16, 1.12,
Yeah, of course.
1.19. Those are and 1.8, which these are basically the versions that mods are made for, pretty much. Like, there's versions made for other mods, but not
Your
really any others. Um,
your Masters of Engineering one is 1.16.5, right? Or am I
yes,
tripping?
that's the most. Yeah, no, you're right. That's the most frequent version for like newer mods. In 1.12, they're all kind of clunky on the mods. They have these big textures, and they don't really look good. But then 1.16 has all the new blocks and it has all the new features in Minecraft. It's not that behind, has another update. But basically, if we to put a mod that's like from 1.12 and 1.16, it just won't boot. Nothing will happen. It will crash a server, and we will have to fix it all.
Damn, and that,
Even if CurseForge allowed that, but yeah, just for general small introduction to that one.
that must make it hard to make sure it's compatible.
It's the reason why we can't add half the mods.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, but I mean, we just go along with it,
Yeah,
and make do with what mods we actually have access to. Because there's so many cool mods for 1.12, and we just can't add them. But yeah, it is what it is.
yep. Before the next question, quick
Uh,
shout out. Make sure to enter the giveaway. It's posted into the stage channel now. And let's move on to the next question. How often do you update your mod pack?
you can see me, guys, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've
Let
seen
me
you
just,
update it
let me
frequently.
just, yeah, my Discord just crashed. Sorry. Probably once a week. Maybe yeah, minimum. Sometimes twice. The other day we had a update and it kind of didn't work out, but we had to revert it. But yeah, it was pretty good. It's pretty good, like the consistency of the amount of times we update the mod pack. Keep it fresh. Actually, we're actually planning to add more mod packs to our big group of mods and stuff. So more servers, more genres, different people who like different mod packs, and it's even a Pokemon server going to come out. I'm not sure, but
Yeah,
yeah.
that's pretty cool. Very cool.
Yeah, we're gonna maybe change the name maybe one day just to kind of make it like more of a neutral server, not like just based off a mod pack.
Yeah, that's understandable.
Yeah.
I have a quick question to the audience. What is the what do you call it? How would you simplify Masters of Time and Engineering in chat? What's the acronym for it? If you guess it, you'll get €5.
But you'd be the old one or the new one.
Yeah, I know. I've noticed that there's two ways of saying it. Which one
The
do you want
old way
to?
was awesome.
Which one should be correct? The mote or meat, in your opinion?
Fun fact: we used to have all the Discord Nitro perks for us for the servers. We had a custom invite link, and we used to call it Meet, and people would join for other reasons, unfortunately, and they'd just join and realize something and just leave.
That makes sense. Okay, Enderham, I'll send you a code since you were the first one to do the new way of the acronym. But let's get back into the questions. How much time would you say on average do you spend in a week working on development related tasks such as your mod pack? I think that was kind of covered. You said a
Yeah, two
few
to three
hours.
hours. Yeah, that much. It depends on if there needs to be an update or not. Usually that does though. So
Yeah, that's respectable. I guess let's go to the next question. A APFE L Troll says, how long does it take to develop one mod pack?
Okay. If it's a good mod pack and a big mod pack, I would say about 20, 2 to 3 days. I'd say. You don't want to just go all in one hit because you don't want to be just tired out after making a massive mod pack and spending your whole day doing it.
Yeah, you definitely don't
So
want to burn up.
yeah, you should split them up between days, and it takes it 2 to 3 days for me. But one time I did do an oopsie and did it in one day, and it kind of failed, but we redid it.
That makes sense. But that's good
Yeah,
that you
because
managed to fix
I
it
had
up.
and because the server died, the server wouldn't turn on, so we had to make a new mod pack. And had like a day to do it, so I
Okay.
wish I waited.
Yeah, sometimes you just have to space it out to keep it chill, because then you can burn up if you do it all in one chunk.
Yeah.
Alright, let's head over to the next question. Raysax asks, what is your favorite pack that you made? Or I guess helped make. I probably assume
I
it's
would
Masters of Time and Engineering.
no, no.
Oh damn.
Oh no, it depends on version of it. I prefer the second, was it? Yeah, the second version of Master Time Engineering because it had low amount of mods and it took slightly less performance to run. But yeah, that's probably my favorite one I made because I'd made it in a decent amount of time and it was already good.
That's respectful. I'm kind of surprised. I thought you'd say the current state, but fair enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure to submit your questions, guys, into the
Oh, but
AMA thread.
the current one's alright though because it has more mods. But yeah, personally, because I didn't really make half of it was by me of this latest one, so I didn't really make most of it. But
Yeah, understandable.
yeah, it was more community input in this one, which which was a good thing because now everyone's happy.
Just before we go into the next question, the last giveaway is now live in the stage channel. Make sure to enter in quickly. Okay, let's head over to the next question. Vekasi asks, when did you get the idea to create a Minecraft mod pack, and when were you inspired to create one?
Okay. It all started with a little friend of mine called KimgCheese needed some help making a mod pack. And I was like, I'll give it a shot. Why not? It'll be fun. And then I did it, and now I'm just into it. Like, it was very similar to Masters of Time Engineering, but not really. Didn't have any tech mods, but it had like a lot of magic mods. It was a bit of a failure, but it kind of got me enough so I know how to make mod packs now. So yeah, small shout out to him, whoever he is.
Fair play. I guess let's move on to the next question. Do you have plans in the future to expand into new projects?
Okay, I think I covered this a bit earlier, but we are planning to expand to more different genres of mod packs, and we are going to hopefully. I'm pretty interested in making just a straight tech mod with vanilla, like energy and power, like a power engineers or something. That's my personal choice.
What about
But
like a space orientated one, like where there's planets and stuff? I don't know if that's a thing, but that would be cool.
I believe that's what the current one is at the moment. But oh, wait, no, oh yeah, I know the mod. It's called Spacecraft Tools, and it basically adds all its planets. So yeah, I guess I could
Oh,
just do a mod pack on that too. Yeah,
yeah, that would be really
and
cool, I think.
rockets. Yeah. All right. That sums up that question.
Yeah, there's a few more. When and why did you create the Massive Engineering and Time mod pack, as well as your own community, slash, I guess, Discord community that you have?
When did I
Yeah, when did
start?
you yeah.
Start creating it. I would say it's early to late last, sorry, like middle to late last year. I started creating this pack, and there's a version before I was there, but it wasn't a version. We kind of released it properly after I joined. But yeah,
Yeah,
that that
you
late,
did mention that, yeah.
yeah. It was basically just mods chucked together. So yeah, we made a proper version after that.
Yep, that's
Yes.
understandable.
Agreed to hand there. Join. Okay,
Yeah,
your next question.
join in. What advice would you give to someone who would like to create their own mod packs? Or like, I guess, what's the process of doing so?
Okay, find your audience and genre of mods. Uh, pick what mods are good and see which ones are compatible. Usually, I create a list of mods and then I go for each one and I see, okay, is this one going to work? No, then I should remove it. And more just a trial and error process, and then eventually, once you just fix all the errors and maybe configure a couple of files, if something's not working, basically you got it working, a working mod pack. But
Sounds simple enough, but I guess
it's a basic mod pack. That's just but the at my level, usually we add like custom title screens sometimes and add a bunch of custom stuff for our server and basically integrate the server into the multiplayer list and yeah.
do you just curious, it's kind of my question. Do you develop other things like is your job, for example, something to do with development, for example, or you do in your spare time?
I work at
Stuff.
McDonald's.
Oh, fair enough. But okay, then I guess is it your hobby to develop things outside of
Yeah,
mod packs
hobby.
as well?
Yeah. Yeah. I usually do a bit of website development and yeah, mainly for other people. Yeah, that's alright. Big Mac is man. But someone just said Shane.
Yeah, so
But
that.
yeah, I usually just do it for other people and just make websites. Basic, but they work. Like I wouldn't make my website and have payments and stuff. I'd make a server. I'd make a website that had like just info and stuff. But yeah, I'm not really that much of a back end person when it comes to CSS and HTML and MySQL, whatever.
That's understandable, yeah. I personally do backend stuff mostly. Um, I guess we're slowly gonna close it off, but if you have any last questions, quickly pop them into AMA questions and we'll kind of quick fire them. You know, a bit like Call of Duty Zombies, fire sale, very quickly.
I'll just check in the stage chat and I'll just post it where you can talk it.
Yeah, thanks
How
for
many
that.
ZAP coins do I have? Let's have a look, shall we? I don't even think I have any because I don't need any. Because I'm sponsored.
Does he like / play Call of Duty?
Depends which Call of Duty.
Do you play multiplayer or zombies, just generally?
Multiplayer.
No, I play zombies. Zombies the best. Black Ops Zombies by far.
I have heard them and I have played 5M. Yes. Not a bad game.
Favorite movie?
No, not a plugin, I guess. It's more of a plugin. Oh yeah, I've got 0 ZAP coins.
Damn, this man broke. No, I'm joking.
What's my favorite ice cream? Vanilla.
I was literally gonna say that's what mine's vanilla as well.
How did you meet AJ? He just kind of joined the server and became a co-owner. Yeah.
Just like that, very simple.
Join MMC. I couldn't maybe if I get invited.
Do you like
I do have a
kebab?
bit of I have a bit of a Twitch following, but yeah. Favorite movie? Oh, there's a lot of movies. Favorite anime? I don't watch anime.
My favorite movie would probably be Pacific Rim with those big robots fighting.
Naughty or AJ choose? This is hard.
There were a few questions we missed up there as well. What's your favorite food?
Their food. I'd be down for some. What do I like to eat?
Don't say McDonald's.
No, I'd be down to eat. I'd be down to eat pancakes.
Huh, fair enough. That's a good
If I
choice.
had the staff. You're not too ready.
Someone else is making Minecraft mod packs more of a job or hobby. I guess you mentioned it's more of a hobby.
Hobby. Yeah. My actual job was the thing that was funding it originally. Then yeah, this is just turned to hobby. Kebabs are good. Don't mind it. I don't watch anime. What is your favorite anime? What? I'm just gonna find a random anime.
That's a good idea, to be fair. I don't watch anime either.
Ben 10? Oh, I've seen that one actually. No, Ultraman. That sounds like a good one to say it's my favorite.
And if you got stranded on a desert island with only 3 items, what would they be? Very random, but I guess they want to know.
Laptop modem repeater.
Easy, see?
I mean, you gotta have the Wi-Fi, so.
Of course. Okay, guys, last stand for questions.
You have to leave time traveling. Would you do something differently on your life? I would never hired Noddy as a staff member. I'm sorry, that was a joke. For my staff member, he's just trash talking me in the questions. No, I would.
What's your opinion of waterway?
W. Double it, go to the next person. Actually, I plan to have a Pixelmod mod pack. That is actually a Pixelmod kind of base mod pack. It's gonna be very good. It's gonna be on a server, and we'll have it open to join projects on. I don't got that much opinions.
Okay, since I guess the questions are getting a bit hectic now.
KimgCheese is gonna have one. He's been asking questions the whole time. We haven't answered one of them. Oh, A2 any day. That one's relevant. Okay, never mind. I was gonna give you a question, KiwiCraft. I swear. Okay, B. Okay, yeah, that gave you a hand at this point.
Okay, I think it's time we close it off slowly now because the questions are getting a bit hectic.
You wanna do should we do a question and answer thing right now? We say we say a question, and they have to answer it, and the correct person gets some coins.
The whole AMA was a Q&A, to be honest.
No, we have one that they have to answer, and they get a coin whoever answers first.
Don't think we have time for that though. We kind of have to end off right now.
Okay, cool.
Check in the chat for some Zap coins, guys. Thank you for listening in. Of course, I'm obliged to mention that this AMA will be on all major podcasting platforms, including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, YouTube. Did I say Spotify already? Just all of them, basically. And it'll be probably online by Monday, I assume. Hopefully. It should be pretty quickly. And, of course, make sure to stick in our Discord server, because we do daily giveaways. And check out our Reddit if you want to join the talk and the community. And lastly, of course, I guess KimgCheese will be happy about this. Make sure to get yourself a Masters of Engineering and Time server, of course.
Do I
I'm
get
sure
money from those?
well, I don't know, probably, I assume.
You heard him. His Zap account don't be working.
Is Zabakanda be working? Okay, guys, thanks KimgCheese for being here. It was a pleasure having you on the session. And yeah, we'll see you next time, hopefully next month, another AMA session with someone else. See you in a bit, guys.
Bye, everybody.